Good morning to all of you. Contempt of court. It has become a buzzword in legal circles in the recent past. We all know that contempt of court, of course, the section 12 is the penal section, and of course the punishment is only 6 months or 2000 rupees fine. But it is very effective. So recently we heard the case of Mr. Prashant Bhushan, wherein he was fined rupees 1. So as far as contempt is concerned, it is both civil contempt and also criminal contempt. Criminal contempt is that action which scandalizes the court, which diminishes the authority of the court in the eye of public. Right? Why I am telling this is, once again, this has surfaced in the incident of actor Surya, who has given a statement through the social network about the judiciary. Right? You are well aware that NEET examinations were conducted on 13/9/2020. Just 2 days back it happened. And before the examinations and on the date of examinations, total 4 candidates of NEET in Tamil Nadu, they committed suicide. Reasons may be, of course, they may not be able to face the exams. They may be under fear that they may fail in the examinations. After writing the examinations also somebody committed. Total 4 suicides have been committed. The first one is from Madurai. So she is Kumari Jyoti Sri Durga, daughter of Muruganandam. He is a police constable, working in the police department. The second case is from Dharmapuri. That boy's name is Aditya. Third is Motilal. And after the examination, fourth one is Mr. Vignesh. So these incidents of suicide, committing of suicide, definitely they created a sensation in Tamil Nadu particularly. Previously also, during 2018, when the examinations are being conducted, so NEET was conducted on 8/5/2018. At that time, the state of Tamil Nadu and the CBSE, they were not able to allocate so many centers in Tamil Nadu for Tamil Nadu students. As a result of which, they have to go to the neighboring Kerala state and write the examinations. They have to travel to a distance of 500 or 600 kilometers, and somebody could not write the examination because of the delay of the trains. It so happened that one father took the boy to the neighboring Kerala state, and due to the stress and strain, when the boy was writing examination, he was outside and he died of heart stroke. At that time, the NHRC director has given a notice to the state of Tamil Nadu and CBSE as to why they could not provide enough accommodation for the students of Tamil Nadu to write the examinations in Tamil Nadu. NHRC interfered in 2008 itself. Now, coming to the present point. The present point is 4 students, of course, at that time, by 13/9, 3 students committed suicide. Why? Because of the fear of the NEET examinations. What is the necessity for writing the examination physically? So this has actually Mr. Tamil actor, Mr. Surya, who is very popularly called as Singham. You might have seen that movie wherein he acts as a police officer, Singham, very powerful man. So he has reacted badly. He has reacted on the social media platform. Let us see what he has written. Actor Surya gave a public statement through the social media in which he stated, while afraid of taking the risk of their lives, while being afraid of taking the risk of the life during corona fever, and the judges are taking up the cases through virtual video conferencing mode. Right? You understand? So the judges being afraid of their lives because of the corona, they are delivering the judgments through virtual conferencing. But they are encouraging or they are giving orders. They are asking the students to go and write examination, NEET examination physically without fear. So is it laudable? Is it just justifiable? All these things, he has put a question. That means he has straight away commented that the judges, out of fear of their lives, they are going through the virtual conference or online, whereas they are asking the students to write the examinations physically. So this is his comment, and definitely it has been some people like Justice R. Subramaniam of Madras High Court. He has written a letter to the Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, Sahil Saab, asking to take contempt action against Mr. Surya, because it is affecting, the statement of Surya is affecting the integrity and devotion and dedication of the judges, and the dedication has been undermined, and actually this has been criticized in a bad shape. Of course, the CJI did not take any action so far, right? So, as regards the what happened is, very recently, all the universities, they have started conducting the examinations. Even law courses, the people are attending the examinations. But 20% of them are affected with corona. Of course, since they are young boys, normally they don't care, and they are openly telling that they are corona positive, and they will get rid of the same after 4 or 5 days. Then when somebody asked them as to why they appeared for the examination, they said, this is the only time examinations will come. Suppose if I miss examination at this time, I will have to wait for 6 more months. So better I write the examination, even this corona. So that is the practical situation here. That means people are suffering from corona, right? So with this background, so now the Justice Subramaniam, he has, of course, in his view, it is contempt. But in the meanwhile, 4 former judges, previous judges like Chandru and others, they have written a letter to the CJ of Madras High Court. So, taking that, Surya's comments may be viewed in the context of the issue, in the context of the conducting the NEET examination. They say that where 4 students committed suicide, unable to meet the NEET examination requirements, and in such a supercharged atmosphere, please remember, supercharged atmosphere, an artistic person, an artist, a film artist, a celebrity. So, he has, of course, Tamilians are famous, he has overreacted. Of course, they should not be taken seriously. So overreaction is common in Tamil, even movies also, they overact normally, because more than others they overact. Anyway, if the letter was read in totality, then, and the previous good service by his Agaram Foundation, then definitely he may be left with some warning, and no contempt action can be taken against him. This is the view of some of the former judges. Of course, the Tamil Nadu Advocates Association, they have given a strong condemnation to Mr. Surya, saying that as an actor, of course, by studying the already written or written citations or written dialogues, what is it you know about the examination? The fate of the students will be decided by the NEET examination. Once in a year, if they don't write the examination, then what happens? It becomes difficult. They have to wait for 1 more year, number one. So, for giving the entrance, so for becoming a doctor and an engineer, definitely this national entrance examination is compulsory. It should not be avoided. That too, they are boys aged below 20 years, then how can you expect a corona from them? It's not possible. Therefore, Surya has overreacted. So, no doubt. So, his statement is highly condemnable. Then it is downgrading the judicial functions and defaming the judges, because judges, even though, of course, if they close down the courts, nobody will do anything. But instead of that, they wanted to give the justice delivery system. Therefore, at least they are acting through video conferencing mode or online mode. They are doing their best. They should not be commented badly. So, he is nailing against the judges and crossing his limits. Right? Surya has no such right to comment against the judges when they were delivering justice, even in this pandemic situation also. So, this is the opinion of the Tamil Nadu Advocates Association. Anyway, the matter has become controversial. Let us see what will happen. Whether, of course, till now CJ of Madras High Court did not take any action. Let us know what will happen. Thank you.